In the Philippines, like in many other countries, businesses are categorized based on their size and scope of operations. Here's a breakdown of the differences between small, macro, and micro businesses in the Philippines. Micro enterprises are the smallest type of business entities in terms of size and scale. In the Philippines, micro enterprises are typically defined as businesses with assets of less than PHP 3 million, as per the Magna Carta for Micro, Small, and Medium Enterprises, or MSMEs. These businesses often have minimal capital, typically run by individuals or small groups of people, and may operate informally. Examples include sari-sari stores, carinderias, small eateries, small-scale retailers, and small-scale service providers. Small businesses are larger than micro-enterprises, but still relatively small in scale compared to larger corporations. In the Philippines, small businesses are often categorized as those with assets ranging from PHP 3 million to PHP 15 million. They may have a slightly larger workforce than micro-enterprises and may be registered formally with the government. Small businesses in the Philippines can include small manufacturing firms, small retail shops, small-scale restaurants, and small service-oriented businesses. Macro businesses, also referred to as medium-sized or mid-sized businesses, are larger than both micro and small businesses, but are not as large corporations or conglomerates. The definition of macro businesses in the Philippines can vary, but they generally have assets exceeding PHP 15 million, but not more than PHP 100 million. These businesses often have more structured operations, a larger employee base, and may have regional or national reach. Examples of macro businesses in the Philippines include medium-sized manufacturing companies, medium-sized retail chains, mid-sized restaurants, and service providers with a larger market presence. Each category of business in the Philippines comes with its own set of challenges and opportunities, and the government often implements policies and programs tailored to support the growth and development of micro, small, and medium enterprises, MSMEs, in the country.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.